Hello, I have built a basic login page using Streamlit on Snowflake. We are using a Streamlit library to create a web interface and it interacts with the Snowflake database for validating the user credential. Here, user can input their username and password. When they click submit button, it checks the credentials are valid and then it provides the feedback. If the credentials are correct, the program will display login successful, and if the credential is incorrect, it will show incorrect username or password. Let's check. It is showing login successful. It's showing incorrect username or password, and also username is insensitive. Here you can check. Wait. Login successful. Now let's see the backend code here. First of all, we are importing important Python libraries here, and we are using get active session. This command is used to run SQL queries. Without it, we cannot run the SQL queries. And this function, it is used to validate the credential, and this, it is used to create an interface. As you can see the s.title, it is used to set the title called login page, and we have used two text box for username and password. In username, we have used a placeholder called user, and we have also used the help icon both in password and user. You can see. Okay, and in username we have used stripe function. It eliminates the spaces. As you can check, if the user by mistakenly, if it gives the space, it will remove it. See, login is successful. Okay, then after submitting button, first it will check the username and password. It should not be empty. You can see here, and if you submit, it will show username cannot be empty. And if you remove the password here, password cannot be empty. So we have to enter both username and password. Okay, and now after checking this, it will call a validate credential function to check the username and password is correct or not. So it will call this function validate credential, and it has two argument called user and password. After getting its user and password, it will run this SQL query and check in the database if the password and username is correct or not. See, this is for username, and this is for the password. And here we have used upper function to make this case insensitive. If the user put the small letter, it will not be hampered. We are converting into uppercase. And if and this and its result will be stored in the query, and if the result is true, then it will show login successful, and if this result is false, then it will return false, and the else part will be executed, and it will show an incorrect username and password. Thank you.